So hello everyone to a brand new series. In this series we are going to be looking at discord.py. Now if you want to make a discord bots using Python, you can do that with the discord.py rewrite version. We are using the rewrite version because it's the latest version. The old version was the async version or async version. Okay, so first of all, if you want to create a discord bot, you have to go to the developer portal of Discord. First of all, let me sign in. And now after this I'll go to Discord developers and I'll click on this link, Discord developer portal, and I'll go to applications. Now here, see, these are the bots I've already created. Applications mean just bots. What you have to do is just click on new application and give it any name. Make sure it is a unique name. Let's say YouTube tutorial, or let's say tutorial bot, and click on create. And now you will see something like this. So your name is tutorial bot, description it is optional, everything is optional except the name. And this is the application ID, public key, and everything else. Now what you have to do is go to OAuth 2 and click on URL generator. Here what you have to do is you have to just select what you want to do with this application. You want to make a bot with this application, so I'll select on bot. And here you have to select the permissions your bot should have, like administrator, view audit logs, send messages, etc. I'll just click on administrator because I want it to have all the permissions. And this is the invite link. This is the link it will generate so that we can invite our bot. Now before copying this, what you should do is just go to bot and add bot, and yes, do it. Okay, so it's created our bot also. Now go back to OAuth 2 URL generator and bot and administrator, and then you can copy this URL so that you can invite your bot. So I'll just click on copy, and you can just explore these fields if you want, and then you can just paste it, and then it will give an invite link for your bot. So tutorial bot, select a server. I have this code with on a server. I'll continue, and what the permissions I want it to have administration permissions. After this, authorize and verify I'm human. Why is it taking a lot of time? Okay, done. Now I'll just close this here. I'll open my Discord here, and as you can see, this is a brand new server I created, and you can see this bot is currently offline, so our bot is successfully into our server. Okay, now let's begin with the series. So first of all, for this you need to have Python installed. If you don't have Python installed, install it by going to python.org, and here you can install Python, and of course you need to know the basics of Python, like object-oriented programming, loops, functions, etc. Now just open your command prompt if you're on Windows, or open your terminal for Mac and Linux. I'll open terminal, and here let me zoom in. Here I'll type pip install discord. I click on it, I'll click enter, and then here what I'm getting is requirement already satisfied because I've already installed it. For you it will be something lengthy process. Okay, so after installing this, what you have to do is just close this one, open your code editor. I recommend Visual Studio Code, and let's basically create a new folder here. Let's say YouTube bot, and I'll drag this folder to vscode, and let me zoom in a little bit, and here I'll create a Python file. Let's say main.py, and here first of all we are going to import Discord. Import Discord, and here seeing select an interpreter, I'll select this one, and also import from discord.ext import commands. Okay, now you have to create a bot. So bot is equals to commands dot bot with a B capital, and here you have to give your command prefix. Command prefix means like we have seen with other bots. Let's say you have Dino. I'll go to my general, and what that command prefix is, it's basically a prefix to use in your commands. Like let's say if I say let's say please, let's say joke, okay, so nothing happens, but I want this dank memer bot to work, and its prefix is please. So when I type pls and after that I type anything, then only it will work. So pls joke, then only it will work, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so that's the command prefix, and you can choose any prefix you want. I prefer $sign. Okay, now this is a bot. What you have to do is you have to create a onReady function. So at the bot.event, oops, and then here you have to create an async function. So async def on ready. Okay, and this name should be as it is. You can't give your own name, okay, because this is in the Discord documentation. If you don't give it the same name, then Discord will give you errors. Okay, so bot.event async def on ready, and here you can do anything. Like I want to print our bot is ready to run. Okay, after that at the last we have to run it because we have not run it yet. Now I'll just do bot.run, and here you will give your token. Now what is a token? Let's go back to the developer portal, and here you can go to general information, not general information, I mean the auth. So here what a token is basically a string, a mix of characters and numbers, which is basically the token of the bot you are going to create. The token means the password, you can say. So I'll just click here, copy it. So I copied the password to this bot. Make sure you have that password, otherwise you will not be able to connect with the bot. I'll put the password here, and make sure you don't give your password to anyone. I'm just showing this password for example purposes. I'll delete this bot after this, so don't try to use this password, it won't work. Now let's test this whether it is working or not. Basically this is not the token, actually forgot it. Actually the token is go to bot, and here is the token. Here it's saying a token, click to rebuild token. So I just messed up, sorry for that. You have to click copy here, and this is your token, your password, and wait a second, and this is your password. So I'll just put it here. So your token should be something like this. Now let me run it, and let's see if it's properly run or not. Okay, so it's saying downloading and telecom mode, etc. Okay, our bot is ready to run. So our bot is successfully running. It's not doing anything till now, I'm just showing that it's running, so no errors. Congratulations on that. And if you like this tutorial, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye and take care.